new arrival today. Let's have a quick peek at what's in here. Oh, what could that be? Thankfully for the helping hands that I got here with me.
A little crooked in the box.
Yeah. Crooked's okay.
Y'all are.
It was a little off in the morning.
Yeah, I noticed that. Let me see you want this to come off.
Peel all the wrapper off.
I'm just trying to figure out which one is which. And then, like, I can take off one.
I know. There's one.
Okay, the other one needs scissors.
Okay. So. Never mind the tummy, it's just I haven't eaten breakfast. Here we go. Ball Engineer GMT.
No, it's not that heavy. What did she say?
She was asking about.
Yeah. $4.74 US.
Yeah. Yeah. Warranty cards.
Not returnable if tag removed. So,
Number 474 of 1000. Blue Dial Ball Engineer GMT.
But I have pink shorts.